Hi, I'm Michael, co-founder of Animus. People are at the core of buildings. Every resource being used in this room right now is dependent on all of us, from how much space we need to how much air is being pumped through those vents. But the systems in the building that control these resources are in the dark. They do not know how many of us are actually in this room. And as a result, billions of pounds in space and energy go to waste every year. Animus is solving this problem. We enable any resource in a building to be provisioned on demand. And we build the software and hardware to do this. Our sensors continually monitor the number of people in a room. We've been through 15 hardware iterations and 3 technologies to get here. Our software then analyzes this information, providing a detailed picture of the true demand for resources throughout a building in real time. Our machine learning engine can then predict what this will be in the future. So what does this mean in practice? Well, I've met with 40+ building managers in the last 6 months, and they all share a common pain. They're spending millions of pounds on rent, but their offices are only ever 50% full. And all they have to go on is low-resolution card swipe data and complaints from employees. With Animus, a building manager can immediately see where space is being wasted and take action to maximize space utilization. Heat maps are overlaid onto floor plans, and key figures bring the important numbers to the surface. But what's even more powerful is that Animus integrates with existing calendars in the building to increase the available meeting room hours without having to create any extra space. Animus also integrates with existing energy control systems to provision heating and ventilation on demand. The number of internet-connected devices in buildings is growing at 50% year on year, massively increasing the value that Animus can deliver. You need to get 3 things right to build Animus: software, hardware, and an understanding of commercial buildings. We've got that. My co-founder, Robert, has over 5 years' experience as a software engineer and has developed pioneering deep learning algorithms to manage traffic flow. Joe has been building hardware for 10 years and has led pan-European R&D projects for one of the UK's leading robotics firms. I studied civil engineering, where I focused on sensor-based indoor navigation. In the last 6 months, this team has built an end-to-end software and hardware solution, built our first batch of sensors, and deployed a paid trial to our first enterprise customer. And right now, we have 3 more customers signed up and ready to deploy. We're building Animus to be able to provision any resource in any building on demand. But right now, we're laser focused on office space, and we're raising 500K to build out the team and deploy to our next 50 buildings. If you'd like to help us seize the opportunity to bring buildings out of the dark, come and speak to us.